Remember the moment your child uttered their first word? That moment is often filled with joy, excitement, and a sense of wonder. It's a milestone that marks the beginning of a lifelong journey of communication and connection. That magical sound, a tiny key unlocking a universe of communication. It's not just a word, it's a bridge to understanding and being understood. It's the start of expressing needs, desires, and emotions. Perhaps it was a simple mama or dada, but in that instant a new world of connection opened up. These first words are the building blocks of language, paving the way for more complex thoughts and conversations. Language development is much more than just vocabulary. It's the foundation for a child's thinking, learning, and social emotional growth. It's about understanding concepts, following instructions, and engaging in meaningful interactions. It's their ability to understand and be understood, to form bonds and to navigate the world around them. Through language, children learn to share their experiences, ask questions, and build relationships. As parents and caregivers, we have the incredible opportunity to nurture this development, to watch as our little ones blossom into confident communicators. Every word, every sentence is a step towards independence and self-expression. Let's delve into some simple yet powerful ways to foster this amazing journey. From reading together to engaging in conversations, every interaction is a chance to support their growing language skills. From the moment a baby is born, they are absorbing the world around them, particularly the sounds of language. Every coo, gurgle, and babble is a stepping stone to spoken words. Think of these early vocalizations as practice sessions for their little voices and brains. Responding to these sounds, even before they become actual words, is crucial. This back and forth exchange, however simple it may seem, lays the groundwork for conversational turn-taking, a fundamental skill for effective communication. It tells your baby that their voice matters and that communication is a two-way street. As parents, we are our children's first and most influential teachers. Our everyday interactions are brimming with opportunities to boost their language skills. Talk to your baby throughout the day, even if it feels a bit silly narrating your grocery list. Describe what you're doing, what your baby is doing, and what you see around you. Use simple, clear language and vary your tone of voice to keep your baby engaged. Remember, you are their language role model, so speak clearly and with enthusiasm. Think of daily routines as canvases for language learning. Bath time becomes an opportunity to name body parts and describe the feeling of water. Meal times become chances to introduce new food names and discuss textures and tastes. Even a simple diaper change can be a springboard for language. Let's change your diaper. Oh, you have a wet diaper. Now it's clean and dry. These seemingly mundane moments are bursting with learning potential. By incorporating language into everyday activities, you are seamlessly weaving learning into your child's world. Section 5, Storytime, a magic carpet to fluency. Books are more than just entertainment, they are portals to new worlds, vocabulary builders and fluency boosters. They open up a universe of imagination and creativity, allowing children to explore places and ideas beyond their everyday experiences. Even before your child can understand the story, simply hearing you read aloud exposes them to the rhythm and melody of language. This early exposure helps in developing their listening skills and lays the foundation for future reading success. Choose books with colorful illustrations, engaging storylines, and repetitive phrases. These elements capture a child's attention and make the reading experience more enjoyable and memorable. Point to the pictures as you read. Ask your child questions and encourage them to point out familiar objects. This interaction not only makes the story more engaging, but also helps in building their comprehension and critical thinking skills. Make story time an interactive experience. Engage with your child by using different voices for characters and encourage them to participate actively in the storytelling process. Let your child turn the pages, chime in with animal sounds, or retell parts of the story in their own words. This not only makes reading fun, but also enhances their language skills and boosts their confidence in using new words and phrases. Section 6. Tunes and rhymes, language in harmony. Music and rhymes are more than just catchy tunes. They are powerful tools for language development. Songs and rhymes introduce children to new vocabulary, teach them about rhythm and patterns, and enhance memory and recall. Sing simple songs together, like Itsy Bitsy Spider or Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star. Encourage your child to clap along, dance and sing along when they are ready. Don't worry about hitting the high notes. Your child will love your singing voice no matter what. The joy of shared music is what matters most. Section 7. Beyond words, the power of non-verbal communication. While spoken language is essential, non-verbal communication is equally crucial. Facial expressions, gestures, and body language all play a role in conveying meaning and understanding. Make eye contact with your child when you speak to them. Use exaggerated facial expressions to emphasize different emotions like happiness, sadness, or surprise. Encourage your child to imitate your gestures and use their own body to communicate. Pointing, waving, and even a simple nod can go a long way in fostering communication skills. Section 8. A world unlocked. The enduring gift of language. The gift of language is arguably the greatest gift you can give your child. It is the foundation upon which they will build their understanding of the world and their place within it. It unlocks a world of opportunities, allowing them to connect with others, express themselves creatively, and thrive in all aspects of life. Through language, they can share their thoughts, dreams, and emotions, making meaningful connections with those around them. Remember, language development is a journey, not a race. Each child will progress at their own unique pace, encountering different challenges and triumphs along the way. Every child learns at their own pace. Some may pick up new words quickly, while others may take more time to feel comfortable expressing themselves. Be patient, encouraging, and celebrate every milestone, big or small. Each step forward is a victory, whether it's their first word or their first full sentence. By creating a language-rich environment filled with love, interaction, and engaging activities, you're setting the stage for your child to become a confident and capable communicator, ready to embrace all the wonders that language has to offer. Encourage conversations, read together, and play language games to make learning fun and effective.